Friday, September the 18th edition of the Carolina Weather Video. Meteorologist Matthew East along with you. Let's begin with a time-lapse shot from yesterday. Love these time lapses. This is a look from the camera atop the Dowd YMCA building in uptown Charlotte. We had some of those puffy, flat cumulus clouds overhead at times yesterday. Altogether, it was a pretty nice day. The more extensive cloud cover off to our south and east, which I'll show you here in just a moment. A couple of social media images from yesterday. Hey, Gary Stevenson getting into the mix. That's a sunset image from the Triangle region yesterday evening. And then no specific identifier on this photo, just stated North Carolina. Another really nice sky scene from yesterday. 84 in Raleigh, 83 the high yesterday in Greensboro, 83 in Fayetteville, Columbia 85, 70s in the mountains. Pretty nice day. Now, over closer to the coast, you had a lot more cloud cover, which, again, you'll see in just a moment. Your Thursday highs, low and mid-80s around the Triad area, right on target with our forecast. Same deal for Charlotte. 84 in Charlotte, 84 in Concord, 83 in Gastonia and Monroe yesterday. 5 o'clock hour temperatures, a little chillier in Boone at 45. A lot of 50s around the Triad and the Triangle region, some low 60s in Charlotte and Fayetteville, and then even along the coast, it's 70 in Charleston and Myrtle Beach on this Friday morning. Now you notice there along the coast, a lot more extensive cloud cover due to an area of low pressure offshore. And you head offshore, a lot of showers, and occasionally a few of those showers drift inland. But the most extensive concentrated area of rain is off the Georgia coast. That's really where the area of low pressure is actually situated. Now, one other item to show you before I pull away from the radar, you get up here to the upper Midwest, some pretty big thunderstorm activity up that way. That's with our cold front that finally swings in here by later on into the day Sunday. Ahead of that front, you have this southwesterly flow that's pulling up some warmer air, so you have temperatures in the Great Lakes region and the Midwest warmer than what we have in place locally. And still this residual cool air across the southeast, although it's been getting modified with time here with no fresh sources of cool air over the past couple of days. All right, so here we go. There's your low pressure offshore. Once you get away from the coastal plain, that low pressure really too far away to play any impact, to play any part in our weather. So western and central parts of the Carolinas, a lot of sunshine today. Pretty nice Friday weather. There's your highs across the region this afternoon. We go on into Saturday, very similar weather scenario. A couple ticks warmer, too, for highs. There's your Saturday afternoon highs. And then Sunday, this next cold front actually begins to swing into and through the region. Even then, shower chances relatively limited here across the interior Carolinas. Can't rule out a Sunday shower, but most of us are going to be rain-free and still pretty warm for Sunday due to the timing of that front. And then changes occur behind it. So here we go with Monday. This northeasterly flow gets established. Now, this is the GFS representation. You'll notice a lot of rain around here in parts of the Carolinas Monday, Tuesday, and even on into Wednesday, too. In fact, when you look at the week's worth of rain next work week, the GFS pretty aggressive with rain totals over western parts of North and South Carolina. 1 inch to 2 inches of rain with a locally higher bullseye there in parts of the foothills and the upstate. Now, contrast that with the European model, and barely enough to measure over much of the Piedmont of North Carolina. It's a little bit different with the placement of rain next week. So I think for the time being, I'm going to maintain the idea Monday, Tuesday, maybe Wednesday of some shower opportunities, and we will just have to continue to refine the forecast. And it does look much cooler, too. Probably a lot of 70s for highs for us, at least Monday and Tuesday, across the Piedmont and the foothills of North Carolina, and maybe down into the upstate, too. Tropics, still watching that area of low pressure off the Georgia, Florida, and South Carolina coast. There's some chance this could try to become a tropical system, but inevitably this is going to get swept northeastward and out to sea. And there's tropical depression number 9, not looking overly healthy at all. Moving north-northwest at 7 miles per hour. And again, this is going to stay over the open waters of the Atlantic, probably degenerating into just a remnant low pressure area by early next week. All right, that's it for today's edition of the Carolina Weather Video. Everybody have a wonderful weekend, and God bless.